Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the FastTrack watch has at least 20% battery and is paired or on a network. Next, open the FastTrack app on your phone and sign into the same account used on the watch. Once done, allow location, Bluetooth, and background permissions for the app so tracking can work continuously. You do this because the app needs active permissions and a reachable device to request coordinates and avoid false offline reports. You now request the live location. Open the FastTrack app and tap Devices or My Watches to pick the watch you want to find. Then choose Locate or Live Track. This sends a location request to the watch. While waiting, the watch may vibrate to trigger its GPS if needed. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection because the app needs to retrieve and display coordinates and a map link. If the first attempt times out, try again. Sometimes the watch needs a second ping to fix coordinates. You finish by following the map directions shown in the app and confirming arrival by checking the location's timestamp and accuracy. If the position is coarse, move to an open sky area and retry so the watch can get a stronger GPS fix. Make sure to refresh the app. Sometimes switching to Live Track improves updates. If it still fails, restart the watch, toggle app permissions, or rely on the last known location. These steps often clear glitches and restore accurate tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.